are doing something a little bit different on a culinary episode of Welcome to Indonesia, this series. This time around, I am going to make Indomie. Yep, Indomie. Indomie, in my humble opinion, is probably one of Indonesia's best culinary inventions. If you disagree with me, well, I respect that. But I would like to know, why do you not really like Indomie in the first place? You can share that in the comments below. Basically, Indomie is that type of food that you can have at the start of your day, towards the end of your night. So, there are two ways for you to enjoy Indomie. First is you can have it with broth or like a noodle soup. And the second way is to have it fried. You can enjoy your Indomie just simply with the noodles itself, and that's already a great meal. But we Indonesians like to take it up a notch. By that, we like to have different types of toppings. The three main toppings we like to add are corned beef, eggs, and cheese. So let's get on to the first type, which is the broth base. Now, to make our Indomie kuah, which is basically a noodle soup, of course, you're gonna need an Indomie that has broth in it, and this flavored is ayam bawang or chicken garlic. And then you're gonna need the toppings. In this case, we're making internet. It's called internet. Internet stands for Indomie, telur, and kornet. Basically, Indomie, egg, and corned beef. So we have all of these ingredients in front of me right now. I'm impatient to get cooking and have some Indomie inside my tummy. So let's get on to the cooking part.
Anyone can cook Indomie. Start off by boiling water. Once boiled, open a packet of Indomie and place the dried noodles into the boiling water. Don't forget to pour the remaining bits too. Crack an egg and let it poach with the noodles. You can also boil or fry the egg, but let's kill two birds with one stone. Then, open the seasoning sachets and stir. In the meantime, butter your pan and quickly saute the corned beef. Add some garlic and red onion powders or cloves. Set that aside, wait, and then pour it into a bowl. Assemble the corned beef and grated cheese on top. Voila! You just made an internet! On to Indomie goreng. Cook the noodles in boiled water. Since I cooked an extra portion of the corned beef, proceed by scrambling one egg on the pan. Strain the noodles and transfer it to the pan. On low heat, quickly incorporate the fried ingredients all together with the noodles and Indomie seasonings. There you have it, another way to enjoy fried Indomie or Indomie goreng.
Those are some of the ways for you to enjoy Indomie the Indonesian style. Look, you can also add in some sambal or hot sauce if you like it a little bit more spicier, or you could add in some more sweet soy sauce if you like it sweeter. It's all up to you. Tell us in the comments below if you are going to try out this version of a fried Indomie or this noodle soup version of the Indomie, the way that I just made up in the kitchen, or you have your own preference. Make sure you subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you at the next episode of Welcome to Indonesia, the series.